Hi, I'm Marco Krischer, Digital Partnerships Manager at Swinburne University. My role is to connect our research capability, public sector partnerships, and student experiences to maximize the benefit and impact of Swinburne's partnership with AWS. Nursing students studying remotely at Swinburne during COVID were naturally facing challenges.
Our students were anxious about how they were going to be able to transition their online nursing theory and apply it to a real-world practice scenario in a clinical setting.
We started really empathizing with our nursing students, so really trying to understand their motivations and their pain points.
Importantly, the solution needed to be accessible for nursing students with varying hardware and internet access, but also essentially easy and fun to use.
Working with Swinburne, AWS conducted workshops featuring Amazon's working backwards processes and innovation methodologies.
At Amazon, we use a mechanism called the working backwards process to help us define a new product, service, or experience, and then rapidly bring that solution to life and to market. We start by identifying an end customer, the student in this case, and creating a detailed, holistic persona that allows us to best understand their specific problem from that person's perspective.
Hi, I'm Rohan. I'm doing my bachelor's in software engineering here at Swinburne. My role as a system engineer was to oversee the entire project, covering everything from content creation to design and development. Following the workshops, a dedicated solution architect from AWS worked with Swinburne Online staff and software engineering students to develop initial functional specifications for a prototype over several weeks.
Our software engineering students at Swinburne University created a cutting-edge immersive learning experience called Know Before You Go.
Know Before You Go uses a range of AWS services, including Amazon Cognito, Amplify, S3, DynamoDB, API Gateway, and Lambda.
It's effectively a 360-degree virtual nursing lab with exploratory visual cues. This enables all nursing students to familiarise themselves with the environment before even setting foot on campus.
The students are supported through a variety of interactive learning tools such as walkthroughs, video embeds, and quizzes.
For example, the students can step through multiple points inside the lab, moving from a sink to equipment to a patient bedside, all without leaving their home.
So this is an application that was created by students for students, which is really fantastic.
The great thing is now we have a really useful future-proof and pandemic-proof virtual environment.
The prototype development is now complete, and the full virtual learning experience is expected to be deployed and piloted with our nursing students in early 2022.